Everyone thinks the best-selling benchtop router tables are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Bosch RA1171 router table. The Bosch RA1171 caught my eye right away with its impressive cabinet-style design and 2 dust collection ports. Priced at $255.99, it's a popular choice, and with good reason. If you're looking for precision and clean workspaces, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The tall aluminum fence measures 4 7/8 inches x 25 1/8 inches, which can easily handle taller stock materials. Plus, the rigid aluminum router mounting plate ensures stability and accuracy. It's even pre-drilled to fit a variety of routers, meaning you won't be stuck with a table that doesn't accommodate your gear. Add in the adjustable featherboards for better guidance and protection from kickback, and you've got a solid setup. With over 1,900 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, it's clearly making a mark in the woodworking community. Now, some people complained about the assembly instructions being a bit unclear. Here's the thing though, once you figure out the quality you get makes it worth the initial frustration. If you're patient and enjoy a bit of DIY, it's manageable. This is perfect for you if you're a serious woodworker who values precision and cleanliness. Skip this one if you need something super portable or if you just want a budget option. For the price, you're getting a strong contender that does its job well. Now, if the assembly concerns bothered you, this next option takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Bosch RA1141 portable router table. Next up is the Bosch RA1141, which is ideal for those who need something portable. At $174.99, it's a steal for anyone wanting a reliable benchtop router table without breaking the bank. If you want convenience and versatility, this is worth a serious look. Here's the deal. This table comes pre-assembled, meaning you can get to work right away. The tall fence with adjustable featherboards gives you extra control over your routing, which is essential for those curved workpieces. Plus, the onboard storage keeps your bits and parts organized, so you won't be rummaging around for tools mid-project. With a solid 4.4-star rating from 1,300 reviews, it's clear this model is loved by many woodworkers. However, some users noted that the stability could be better for heavy-duty tasks. Now, here's the thing. If you're mostly working with lighter materials or need something to take on-site, this is still a fantastic choice. This is perfect for you if you need a portable option that's easy to store. Skip this one if you're planning to work with really heavy materials or need something ultra-stable. For the price, you get a solid performer that won't let you down. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those seeking a bit more versatility. Product number 3, Bosch RA1181 router table. The Bosch RA1181 is up next, and it's another strong competitor, priced at $284.99. This table is designed for anyone who needs a larger workspace without compromising on quality. If you want a table that offers a bit more room to work, this is worth a serious look. This router table features a large aluminum top for durability and extended work area, which is a game changer for bigger projects. It also has a dedicated dust collection port that fits standard vacuum hoses, ensuring your workspace stays clean. And we all know how messy routing can get. The extra tall aluminum fence with adjustable faceplates gives you the precision and versatility required for various tasks. With a 4.5-star rating from over 5,100 reviews, it's a popular choice for a reason. Now the downside? Some users mentioned that it can be a bit heavy to move around. But honestly, if you have a dedicated space for it, the weight translates to stability, which is a plus when you're routing. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a sturdy table that can handle a range of projects. Skip this one if you need something lightweight or plan to take it on the go. Considering the features, it's a reliable option for serious woodworkers. Now, if you're looking for something that comes with a bit more in the box, keep watching. Product number 4, Skil RT1323-01 router table kit. The Skil RT1323-01 is a combo kit that really caught my attention. Priced at $219, it comes with a router and all the essentials you need to get started. If you're looking for a complete setup, this is definitely worth a serious look. This kit includes everything. A powerful 10-amp router with a 2.0 HP motor, which means you'll get smooth and accurate routing from the get-go. The router table itself is equipped with above-table adjustments for easy access to your bits, and the large fence accommodates taller stock materials. With a 4.5-star rating from 1,400 reviews, it's clear this kit has received positive feedback from users. That said, some users found the instructions for the router a bit lacking. Here's the thing. If you're a beginner, you might run into some confusion, but once you get the hang of it, it's super user-friendly. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one kit that simplifies your woodworking journey. Skip this one if you prefer to choose your router separately or already have one you love. For the price, you get an excellent starter kit that covers all bases. Now, if you're after something designed for portability, let's check this last product out. Product number 5, Kreg PRS2100 Benchtop Router Table. Finally, we have the Kreg PRS2100, which stands out for its portability and design, priced at $289.98. If you want a router table that can be easily clamped to any workbench, this is worth a serious look. This table features a premium routing surface that minimizes vibration, meaning you get cleaner cuts every time. Its adjustable fence has sliding faces and locking levers, which is great for joining work and adds to the versatility. The integrated dust collection port helps maintain a clean workspace, and it's designed to support most routers. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 439 reviews, it's definitely made an impression. However, I noticed some users mentioned that the assembly can take a bit of time. But honestly, if you're looking for a portable solution, the effort to set it up is well worth it for the convenience it offers. This is perfect for you if you need a mobile router table that can adapt to different workspaces. Skip this one if you have a permanent workshop setup and prefer something heavier. Given its features and portability, it's a fantastic tool for those who need flexibility. To wrap things up, we've covered the Bosch RA1171 for precision, the Bosch RA1141 for portability, the Bosch RA1181 for workspace, the Skil RT1323-01 for a complete kit, and the Kreg PRS2100 for flexibility. Each of these router tables has its strengths, so think about what you need most. Happy woodworking!